Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: charged AirPods and a clean ear canal. Put one bud in your hand, orient the stem down, and gently insert into your ear while slightly twisting to seat the tip. You want a secure seal so sound isolates and drivers sit correctly. This improves bass and call quality. Once done, repeat for the other ear and check fit with a quick head tilt. If you feel movement, swap to a different tip size until the seal feels snug. With both AirPods seated, open the case next to your phone or tablet and accept the pairing prompt. For non-Apple devices, use Bluetooth settings and tap the AirPods name. Once connected, configure noise control. Choose noise cancellation, transparency, or off depending on environment. Calibrate spatial audio or head tracking if available to improve in-ear localization. Finally, run a quick microphone test and adjust volume. Now use your AirPods for calls, music, or monitoring. Position stems so controls and sensors align to your finger for taps and presses. Rotate between noise modes depending on surroundings. Transparency helps situational awareness in Vivo. For maintenance, wipe sensors and mesh daily and keep the case charged. If playback glitches or one bud drops out, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, closing the lid, then holding the pairing button for about 15 seconds to force a repair. If problems persist, update firmware or repair to the host device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.